Hello, hello. Huge news. Welcome to my channel. I can't, I'm so nervous. My hands are very sweaty. Now, I've tried to film this. I'm not going to even go there. You can imagine. My heart is literally jumping out of my chest right now, and I don't think I've ever been so nervous other than my wedding day. Some of you may have already guessed what is coming. Before I start, I want to say an absolute huge thank you to two particular ladies out there who have been the most amazing support to me over the last few weeks. You know who you are. These are makes I have made using my brand new stamp collection. Now, many of you know that I did create some stamps, design some stamps with Creative Expressions, and they then closed their doors. I had been thinking about doing this ever since that happened, especially as I did have lots of stamps all designed and ready to go for Creative Expressions. It was very sad, but it's one of those things. Life happens, and yeah, I have finally done it myself. Now, I have tried to film me making some of these. However, I'm so nervous and it's just not something that my mental health will cope with today. So I'm literally going to just show you some of the makes that I have made. They are laid out here before me. And I will talk a little bit about the stamps. So there's 3 sets of stamps. It's one collection called Botanical Lab, 2 A5 sets and 1 A6 set. The first one is identification. Now, these are Victorian style labels. They have been handwritten by Jay. These are all related to botanical. Obviously, some of them are signatures. They have signatures and numbers in. But this is the Botanical Lab identification set. And I'll just give you a quick idea of that. Now, obviously, not all of the labels. Some of these labels will come from this set, and I have used them on envelopes here and here, for example. Some of the labels I've cut down to make teeny tiny ones. There are some small ones in here, as you can see. Little small ones, signatures and numbers, and there are some tiny little strip ones here, and you can see I've used one here on the top of this envelope. These are these particular ones and the slides that I've put over here on a little sheet of white paper. These are stamped onto an acetate. I did use an overhead projector acetate, so I had to use my stays on to make sure that did stay on. So obviously with any stamping you need to make sure you're using the correct inks for your project. This one here is an example of all 3 sets together. So the second set is called Fungi Finding. And these labels all relate to mycology. There are 28 stamps in this set. Again, similar scenario. Labels, Jay has handwritten them all, so they all have a very unique Victorian vintage feel to them. Hope you love them as much as I do. I think this is my favourite set of all of them. And you can see, obviously, I've used the toadstools in various makes. And the final set is called Minis, and it is a mini set. And it will work completely on its own, or you could use this with the toadstools and the labels. So we have a kind of background corner that you can use for texture. So we have a little bit of grunge and some little squares on there. If any of you bought my Creative Expressions background from the last series, then you will recognize some of this shape and pattern. But I did want this without anything else on. I just wanted that texture, so I've created that. We've got 3 little ferns here. They will work alongside the toadstools with the background, so they work really well. But if you just wanted the labels, then you could there are 2 labels, but then there's lots of kind of vintage numbery, and there's a little signature on there as well, so you can create little labels also. So I hope you like that set too. I do have some public announcements. I'm so sorry. This is so short, but honestly, I don't think I can make another night without just getting this out, and then hopefully things will calm down and I'll be able to start doing some makes. I'm really not trying to be pushy, but if you want to purchase the stamps, if you are in the UK, they are only available on our shop because of VAT and calculation, and the only way we can sell to the UK is via our website. So I apologise, it's not available on Etsy to the UK. On Etsy, we are only selling to Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Because of the tariff situation and the fact that there is going to be an $80 flat fee when things arrive in the US from the 29th of August, we are currently trying to negotiate a postage option for the United States. So bear with us. Hopefully, it's coming. It is just taking a little bit more organisation than we hoped. I'm going to leave it there. I really hope you like them. I am so sorry that it's such a short video, but I will be back with a make. So I will see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.